Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am back with some tips here. Some pretty blues and tan, and like we got a pink going on here. Probably switch around some of these like glitter ones, like put one glitter one here, one tan one here. But it's just how I painted them. But yeah, so we got the What's Up plate, and it's B035. Oop, let me move it over a little bit. And it's got some like really beautiful pictures on it. It's their Icy Wonderland B035. So let's see here. And it's just got some icicles, some snowflakes, a deer in the forest, some ice skates, polar bears, a snowman. I love these two right here. So we got the bird on the tree. We got the, I don't know why I can never think of these, acorns. So yeah, I'm just going to get ready. I've got some colors sitting up here that I think I might use. And then what I painted the nails with, the polish I used, it's all regular polish. And this pretty pink one in the middle. These are actually from the dollar store. They're called Flower. I don't know if you could see the name written on it. And they're actually really nice. My mom, when she's at the dollar store, if she sees nail stuff, she's like, do you want to try them? Have you used them? Are they a good brand? And I'm like, yeah, pick a couple up. I'll try them out. So, oh, I don't want to tip the bottle. That's how it looks. It is so pretty, and they're really nice. So she's like, I'll grab a couple colors, and so I had to try them out. And here is the tan one. She picked out some really pretty colors too. So those are really nice. It was the tan and that pink. Kind of really colors that you could use for, they're really neutrals. And then of course the J polish, and this one is called Spanish, hold on, I don't know if that's an N or an R, Viridian. So there we go, Spanish Viridian JNP 066. So now that we got those out of the way, I am just gonna start doing these nails. So sit back, enjoy, and congratulations to the last winner, Miranda Romero Vega. Congratulations. I hope you enjoy the sunflower plate and a couple of the things I send in there with it, the stickers and stuff. So congratulations. Again, I'm always say it, if you haven't won, please don't feel discouraged or sad or upset or any of that. I do one every month, and who knows, maybe the next month you'll like that plate better and you'll win that one. So please continue to subscribe, like, watch, and enter my giveaways. I try to make it so everybody tries to at least win once, even though it is random. I at least hope and try to make everybody at least win once. And so for now, like I said, sit back, enjoy, and I will be back when I am all done. Hey guys, so I'm back and this plate made the most beautiful images. So like let's say you do all your nails like this tan or even red. You could even put a couple red berries on there, and just maybe put that on the accent nail. Look at that. Those are so cute. And I was going to stamp it in black, but you know, the bottom of the skate would be metal, so I just decided to go in silver. And then I was going to do all this in white or all of it in silver, but I just split it up. So I don't know, what do you think with the snowflakes and the icicles together? Kind of like it. And then I was also going to stamp this in black or like a dark brown, but I kind of went with the, it's kind of like that burgundy, but it almost has like a brown look to it. So I kind of like how it came out. What do you guys think? And then I just colored a little bit of that white as like snow on there. So I kind of really like that. So I am so in love with these WhatsApp plates. They have such good quality. They're so beautiful. And yeah, I love a Dubious. What's up? Clear Jelly Stamper has beautiful plates. Lena, Uber Chic, definitely. So even Dixie be having some beautiful ones. So, but yeah, What's Up is Another one of my faves, Queen. But this plate made some beautiful Christmas nails that I think could go into like almost like the new year. They're not like super Santa Claus, you know, stockings. They just have like the icicles and the acorns, the polar bears. Love these skates and I love this image. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Really easy designs. Again, this is the What's Up B035 plate. You can, I'll put the link below. You can also buy it with another plate together. It comes in twos. Let me see. I believe it is, let me see. Might come with this plate right here. So that'll be another day. So let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys for watching. Have a beautiful, blessed, and safe rest of your day. I will be doing another giveaway plate. I just got to figure out which one I want to do. I think I'm going to do one small one and one big plate. So it's going to be like a double plate giveaway. So I'll probably be doing like a little round one and like a big one with just like textures or something on it. So yeah, definitely keep watching to enter that. And again, have a beautiful, blessed, and safe rest of your day. And thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys back real soon. Bye.